Alright guys, so I need to update you guys a little bit because I have not posted in about 3 months now. YouTube was my life for about 4 years. I was posting at least once a week for 4 years. The last year got a little separated. It was kind of like 1 or 2 posts a month. That's because my life changed a lot. So if you guys have been following my channel for these 4 years, you guys have watched me grow. I started this channel, I believe I was 20 years old. It's 20 or 21. I'm 25 now. I'll be 26 here very soon. So you guys have watched me grow up. When I started this channel, my girlfriend at the time, which is my now wife, we lived in a small house. It was the first house we lived in together. I built my Chevy in the driveway. I learned a lot. Guys, I learned so much in that driveway. From wrapping vehicles to fixing rockers, installing my first lift kit by myself, doing a lot of my first repairs by myself, opening headlights, doing all these different things. Taught myself how to polish wheels. I started learning how to detail vehicles. I started learning a little bit about ceramic coating and wheel cleaners and different soaps and stuff like that. I learned a lot there. And then we made a big move to Georgia where I learned even more. I learned how to powder coat in Georgia. I learned how to paint. I painted the Chevy in my garage. I did a lot of stuff there. And then we moved back down here. My wife was pregnant. My daughter's now almost 10 months old. She's walking and everything. Just so much has changed. And then I started my business. I own a mobile detailing business. And I started it a year ago today, August 17th. I started it August 17th, 2022. And, I wasn't really expecting anything crazy. I figured, I'd make maybe a couple $1,000s a month and I'd be able to help my wife, support our financial stability, help pay for my daughter, stuff like that. And the business kind of took off. A year later, I'm booked out 2 weeks majority of the time. I work about 12 hours a day. I can only work 3 days a week because my wife and I work opposite schedules, so one of us is always home with our daughter. But when I'm working, it's about 10, 12 hours a day. And then when I'm not working, I'm with my daughter. And as you can tell, if you've watched for a little while, we're in a new house. So we bought our first home about 2 months ago. And with buying a home comes a lot of new things. You're no longer renting, so you can do upgrades, repairs, and stuff like that yourself. So I've been working on the house, and a lot has changed. And I have not had time for YouTube. That does not mean I don't miss it. That doesn't mean I won't ever post again. I'm going to post again. I have plans to build trucks and stuff like that here. I have plans to build a shop and do all the things that I love doing that I film for you guys here. It takes time is the best way to put that. I'm reinvesting all my extra money into the business because the business is what's gonna support our stability, and the business is what's gonna support YouTube. Because what a lot of you guys don't realize, you guys just see on the other side of the lens. You guys are watching on your TV, your phone, your computer, and it's free. You guys see the video, you click on it, you watch a couple seconds of it, whatever, and you click off. It doesn't cost you anything. What you guys don't realize is what it costs us to make these videos. We have camera equipment, we have computers, we have editing softwares, we have sound softwares, we have color grading softwares, your Wi-Fi bill. And then that's just to film the video. You're not even talking about the video, what you're doing. If you're putting in headlights are $100 to $1,000. If you're painting something, to buy paint, paint gun, air compressor line, air compressor, water separator, PSI regulator, and all these different things, and it's expensive. And I tried so hard for a very long time to grow this YouTube channel, and it kind of, I wouldn't say burned me out because I don't necessarily agree with that. It just got tiring. I put a lot of money into YouTube to try and build a platform of people that had the same outlook of DIY that I did. I love showing you guys how to do stuff because it's not easy, but it's very easy to learn. You just have to be willing to try it and fail and try again. But I can no longer invest all that money into YouTube. I have a family, I have a house, I have a business. My money needs to go towards that and not making these videos. So it's kind of been on the back burner. I've just been working and enjoying life. And I think about YouTube a lot, how I'm not posting. I check my analytics. I'm like, man, it's been 3 months since I posted. And it bothers me. It truly does, because I miss the interaction with you guys. You guys message me on Instagram. You guys message me on TikTok. You guys comment on videos. You guys comment on posts and are like, hey, are you ever going to post again? I miss your videos. You know, we watched your videos all the time. And it hits here. It really does. Because I've met so many people across the world that watch my videos, you know, that people are like, yeah, I learned how to paint my first set of headlights because of your video, or I fixed my rockers like you, or, you know, this is my Silverado, your cat eye inspired me, and, you know, this is my bullnose, you know, yours inspired me. And it means a lot. It truly does mean a lot. I can't even express like how it feels from my side to see all these people that I've touched just from creating these videos. So it's not something I could ever stop doing. It's definitely something I'm addicted to, is YouTube. And it's a good addiction. It just, you have to work with it. And if you guys don't know, I live in Central Florida. So I don't have a shop. My truck doesn't really fit in the garage here. I mean, I can get it in to do like small stuff, but not any big lifting it or anything like that. So that means I have to work outside. And the average heat index every day here is 115 degrees with an average of like 80 to 90% humidity. So it's, how can I put this into YouTube's safety zone, you know, make sure I don't offend anybody. It's hot, very hot. So I'm kind of waiting to post any install videos and stuff like that until it cools down. I've got boxes of parts for videos, but I can't just sit here and not give you guys an answer or expectation or anything like that. So that's what this video is. This is just an update video of my life. So don't expect a video next month. Don't expect a video the month after that. That's when my daughter turns 1. But I will be posting again, so don't forget about me, guys. I'll still be here. I'll still be posting. I'm trying to achieve goals, and with that, YouTube had to be pushed on the back end. I'm trying to get into a new truck. I got my wife the Suburban 2020. Her and my daughter are now riding in style. We got a nice house. It's our house. So that's nice. Now I'm out to get the trailer wrapped for the business, growing the business, getting set up to where I've invested all the money and now I just have to upkeep with it. That's where I'm trying to get. And once I get there, then YouTube can come back into play. I can invest my profits into making videos for you guys. I think that's about it. If you guys want to follow, I'm not asking you to, I'm just letting you know I have a YouTube page. It's GTFO Detailing. I post day in the life videos over there. I post, you know, what it's like with monthly clients, stuff like that. I post more frequently over there because it's easier. I can throw up a camera while I'm working and then I can just edit it when my daughter's sleeping. With this, I don't really have time to, because if I'm not working and with my daughter, I don't have time to do a turbo install or headlights or paint match, stuff like that takes days. I don't have the time for it. So if you guys want to, you know, still stick with me and you guys want more frequent posts, check out GTFO Detailing on YouTube, TikTok. I am posting over there. I have been for the last couple months. If you guys haven't seen it, till then, it'll be a couple months again until I post on here. Wait for it to cool down, wait for the business to settle down, and we can go back to posting regularly on YouTube for the Aaron Cates channel. But this was just an update video, guys. I truly do miss you guys. I miss filming. I filmed update videos like 3 or 4 times and I just delete them because I think they're stupid. But yeah, we're in a new house. We're still in Central Florida. I'm not saying where, just people are weird and don't come here, don't show up. But till then, I'll see you guys in the next video. We have a turbo pedestal for the truck. We have the rebuilt turbo with the banked exhaust turbine housing. We're gonna be doing up pipes, new turbo wheel, possibly injectors. I don't know. I'm thinking of selling the 7.3 and getting in a new 6.7. So I don't want to invest too much money into it. I just need to fix it up and get it ready to be sold. So debadge, fix the little bit of rust that's on the driver's side rear rocker panel. We'll be welding in a new one, repainting the truck, and then it'll be getting posted for sale. So if you guys love the 7.3 content, drop some comments. If you guys truly do want me to do stuff, if there's support behind it, I will do it. But I'm not just gonna dump a bunch of money in for 400 views. You guys gotta hit the like button, guys gotta hit the subscribe button, share the videos, share with your friends, your family, whatever. I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. It's already an 11-minute video. I miss you guys, I love you guys. You guys have been a great support system. I am coming back, I promise. This is not the end of the video, or end of the videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out, love y'all. Hey, be fucking great.